Tungsten copper alloy is an alloy composed of tungsten and copper. WCU alloy has a wide range of uses, a large part of which is used in aerospace, aviation, electronics, electric power, metallurgy, machinery, sports equipment, and other industries. Tungsten resistance welding electrode is one of the use. During resistance welding, the parts to be joined are pressed together and heated by an electric current until the various points between them form a weld pool. This process requires high current and high pressure.